prairie motherland sons. A green sprout broke through the asphalt. I pray that there will be no war, and not perish among the straw. I know it is not my fault, and I know who hurt so. May God grant that the war will end. How tired I am of hearing about it. I know it is not my fault, and I know it hurts so. May God grant that the sons will return home, and to their mothers, and to their wives.